Hello, I'm Arnold from Western College of Education. Today, I'm going to teach a topic from unit number 5, Evaluation of Teacher Effectiveness. In this, we are going to learn about classroom interaction analysis. So far, we have seen what is teacher effectiveness, meaning, definition, and various criteria in the evaluation of teacher effectiveness. In the last class, we discussed about methods and techniques in teacher evaluation. The same way, we learned about students, peers, supervisors, and community involvement in teacher evaluation. In the same way, we have seen about the merits of teacher evaluation. Various problems are also discussed in the last class. In this video, we would like to enrich our ideas, knowledge towards classroom interaction analysis. What is classroom interaction analysis? Before we go into this topic, we should understand the teaching learning situation. That is, classroom situation. In a classroom situation, interaction is usually taken place between teacher and the taught, that is student. What is the meaning of classroom interaction analysis? It is a technique consisting of objective and systematic observation of the classroom events. It is for the study of teacher classroom behavior and the process of interaction inside the class. With this information, we will move on to the next slide. Definition. A famous definition goes like this. Interaction analysis is a systematic research technique for reliably unitizing and coding sequential, naturally occurring interaction behavior. Sequentially, naturally occurring interaction behavior. In a good classroom, teacher continuously, naturally interact with children for the purpose of delivering the content, making the students understand the concepts, making valid interpretation and inferences from those data to the context in which the observation occurred is considered as interaction analysis. Another definition by Thakur says like this. It may be defined as an instrument which is designed to record categories of verbal interaction during the classroom or from recorded teaching learning sessions. It is a technique to capture the qualitative and quantitative dimension of teachers' verbal behavior in the classroom. I hope you understand the meaning and the definitions of classroom interaction analysis. With this introduction, we will move into Flanders interaction analysis category system. What do you mean by FIACS? Yes, Flanders. Dr. Ned A. Flanders introduced this technique when he was working in the University of Minnesota. He introduced this technique. He introduced this technique in 1960. Till today, this technique is appreciated and utilized by many teacher educators, researchers. Shall we go into that? Yes. Flanders classroom interaction analysis system has many categories. These categories are divided into major part, that is teacher talk and student talk. One more area is there, that is silence or confusion. Teacher talk, student talk. Here the teacher talk is divided into two major parts. One is direct influence and another one is indirect influence. Teacher is indirectly influences inside the classroom. Same way, he or she directly influences. Let us see the further division. This interaction analysis, specifically teacher talk indirect influence, has four categories: accepts feeling, praises and or encourages, accepts ideas, asks questions. Another three categories comes under direct influence. Lectures, give directions, criticizes. Under students talk, response and initiation. Already I told the 10th one is silence or confusion. We will discuss each categories in detail. Teacher talk indirect influence. The first category goes like this: accepts the feelings. Accepts and clarifies an attitude or the feeling tone of your people in a non-threatening manner. When a student wants to communicate something, teacher accepts the feelings of the student. If the teacher is ready to communicate, he'll observe students' feeling and speak according to that. Feelings may be positive or negative. Predicting and recalling feelings are included in the teacher's talk. Second, praises or encourages. During the class, teacher praises or encourages students' action and behavior. Sometimes they make jokes, but not at the expense of other individuals. Yeah, sometimes nodding heads, say, go on, right? That's what encourages the students' participation. That's why prizes or encourages. The third teacher talk indirect influence in the Flanders interaction category analysis system is accepts or uses ideas of people. Many a time, students start to speak with teachers, clarifying or building or developing ideas suggested by people comes under accepts. Teacher extensions of pupil ideas are included. but as teacher brings more of his own ideas into play. The category is ask questions. Asking questions about content to procedure based on teacher idea with the intent that pupil will answer. Usually, teachers ask many questions during the class. That questions, that behavior has to be marked as number 4. Dear students, we will stop here and learn the other 6 points in the next video. Thank you.